Welcome to another video. In today's video, we'll be looking at a past paper question from 2011, and the particular question that we'll be looking at is a question in question 1 part B. It says the table below shows the cost price, selling price, and profit or loss as a percentage of the cost price. Copy and complete the table below, inserting the missing values at 1 and 2. So in doing this question, we know we are given the cost price in part 1 and we are given the selling price, and we are to find the percentage profit or loss. So if it is a profit, so we're going to assume that it's a profit. If profit is going to be equal to your selling price minus your cost price. Okay, so in this case, our selling price is $44 minus the cost price, which is $55. And then we are going to get a negative $11. This negative sign here means that we are operating at a loss. Okay, so obviously it is a loss. Okay, now what is a percentage loss? In order for us to calculate the percentage loss, we know it is percentage loss is equal to your loss divided by your cost price times 100. Okay, so what is that loss equal to? That loss is equal to $11 divided by $55 multiplied by 100. Okay, so now 11 into itself will go 1 time, and 11 into 55 will go 5 times, and then 5 into itself goes 1. 5 into 100 will go 20. So therefore, we have a percentage loss of 20%. Okay, so that's how we would have applied this question in order for us to calculate what the percentage loss is. The part 2, which is asking for the cost price, given the selling price is 100 and that the percentage profit in this case is 25%. In order to do this question, I'm going to generate a table, and we're going to have dollars here, and we're going to have percentage here. Now the cost price is always assigned a percentage of 100. The selling price, because this is a profit, will always be assigned a 100 plus 25. So therefore the profit is 25%. So therefore the selling price is going to be 100 plus 25. If it were a loss, it would be 100 minus 25. Okay, I'm just going to redraw our table here, and I'm going to fill in the value. So the cost price we do not know. We know the percentage is 100. We know the selling price of $100, and we know that the profit is $125. Here we are going to cross multiply and equate both sides. Okay, so we have cost price times selling price. So we have 125 times CP is equal to 100 times 100. 100 times 100 is 10,000. Okay, and therefore we have 125 CP is equal to $10,000. So therefore, in order for us to find the cost price, we know this 125 is multiplied by the cost price. So therefore, the cost price is equal to 10,000 divided by 125. And in this case, we are going to get $80. Okay, so what we need to remember is that this 125 on this side is multiplying the cost price. So when it is taken across to the opposite to the other side of the equal sign, the operation will change. So if it is being multiplied here, when it comes across, it will come across as divide, because we want to make the cost price the subject of the formula. And therefore, when we divide $10,000 by 125, we are going to get $80. And so this is how we would have done a question like this. So therefore, whenever you get these kinds of questions to do, please do not be afraid to just apply the knowledge that you have, and you will do well at these questions. So we just need to remember how to calculate percentages, and we need to how to calculate um percentage profit or loss. Okay? So given this information, I hope now you will be able to apply it. And wonderful night.